Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share with you a classic and comforting dish perfect for any seafood lover, a simmered fish recipe that's both easy to make and incredibly satisfying. Whether you are a fan of sea bream or flounder or any white fish, this recipe will bring the authentic flavors of Japan straight to your kitchen. Let's get started! Let's start with making some beautiful garnishes. Cut the white part of the green onions into 5 cm lengths. Make a cut near the center to fan them out. Then thinly slice the outer parts and soak them in water to crisp up. We'll use the center parts later in the simmering process. Today we're using sea bream, but feel free to use any white fish you prefer. Clean your fish, removing any scales and excess moisture, and make X-shaped cut on the skin to prevent it from breaking during cooking and to enhance flavor absorption. Next, let's marinating the fish. Drizzle sake over the fish and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This helps in removing any fishy smell and adds subtle depth of flavor. Let's preparing the simmering sauce. In a pot, combine water, sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Add the center parts of the green onions. Bring it to a boil to blend all the flavors together. Now let's cook the fish. After rotting the fish dry, place it in the pot skin side up. Skim off any foam that forms and use a spoon to baste the fish with the sauce. Cover with a drop rib or otoshibuta and simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. I have introduced the drop rib in a previous video. You cut a piece of cooking paper to the size that cover the pan, hold it into a triangle, and then cut off the tip. You trim the bottom to match the radius of the pot, and finally make some cuts to finish. Remove the drop rib, take out the fish, and boil the sauce over medium-high heat for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat once it has reduced. Just before turning off the heat, add the watercress and quickly cook it through with a residual heat. Arrange the fish on a plate, pour the sauce over it, and garnish with watercress and finely sliced green onion to finish. The tenderly simmered fish combined with the savory sauce creates an irresistible dish. Simmering the white fish makes it wonderfully soft and flavorful. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you are excited to try this simmered fish recipe at home. It's a simple yet delightful way to enjoy the essence of Japanese cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious adventures. We'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Bye bye!